In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Medieval Dynasty Co-op. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Medieval Dynasty in co-op is extremely simple. This was recently introduced in a significant update, so as long as all of you have the latest version of the game installed, you will have access to multiplayer or co-op in Medieval Dynasty. You can have up to 4 players in a co-op save. To do this, one of you will have to host a co-op save and everyone else will be able to join using a session code. So whoever is going to be hosting, create a new save or a new game and choose the map accordingly. If you choose the Oxbow map, you should be able to see the co-op mode available. The other map might have co-op in the future, but depending on the version that you are running, it is going to be solo only. But if you see the co-op option, all that you have to do there is choose it, and now you will be able to share the session code. The host will have access to this lobby screen where they can acquire the session code, copy it to their clipboards, and send it to their friends. Now, go ahead and start the game. You will see the usual character creation screen, and once the host is inside, if you pause the game at any time, you will see your name alongside 3 empty slots. For the people to join these empty slots so all of you can play co-op, multiplayer, all that they have to do is choose the join game option instead from the main menu. Immediately upon selecting join game, a prompt will appear on the middle of their screen where they can input the session code that they were given. If the host is online, currently on the session, they will be able to load in, go through the usual character creation, and all of you will be able to play co-op together. You will share the same map and share progression, and like I said, each player will have their own unique character with skills and abilities. So all that you have to do is join using the session code. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Medieval Dynasty co-op. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.